Hi everyone, I'm Suman Agarwal. I'm the co-founder and director of Image Consulting Business Institute, and today I'm in conversation with Lakshmi Venugopal from Dubai. Hi Lakshmi, welcome, and I would like you to tell us a little bit about your background.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for having me here. I'm Lakshmi Venugopal. I grew up in Dubai. Then I did my engineering and my MBA. Then I did my second master's from University of Strathclyde in Glasgow. And I have over 10 years of experience working in the HR industry. And I've worked in various projects here in the UAE. And along this side, currently, I'm also contributing to my family business, which is a construction-based company here based in UAE. And through all these roles, what I've realized is that educational qualifications alone won't take you to greater places or won't give you much opportunities. And that's the foundation of what I'm doing today.
True, absolutely. So why did you choose to join ICBI for Image and Soft Skills?
Ma'am, I didn't choose ICBI. To be honest, I had manifested ICBI into my life
Oh
because
wow.
while I was working in the HR, I have noticed like many of my colleagues, they were so hardworking, so talented. However, they couldn't get the opportunities that they deserved.
Mm-hmm.
And I also reached at a point in my life where I felt my life was crumbling and I knew that there was a missing piece in my life. And that is when I spoke to one of ICBI's alumni, Swapna Menon. And she, in fact, introduced me to the concept of self image. And that is when, my mind just lit up. This was the missing puzzle, which I've been searching for. And that's how I decided to choose ICBI, or, that was the answer which I was searching for.
Wow, lovely. So what fears did you have before you joined the program?
I had an ocean of fears, I would say. Like I was in self-doubt, judgment, and I was also in the trap of opinions, and I was at the lowest point in my life, though it looked very perfect from the outside. And I was taking this decision, should I join this course or not? And I had people who were telling me that, you are at the lowest point in your life and you shouldn't be taking a decision then. But then, like I was just tired of being in the same place. And this that is when I decided, like this is what I'm going to do. And once I started the class, I knew that this is the place where I belonged and I didn't have to fit in. And the fear which I had started loosening its grip. And now I'm certified image consultant and soft skill trainer.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, tell me, Lakshmi, that how has this entire journey transformed you as an individual?
Ma'am, there has been a huge transformation for me deeply within me because before joining ICBI, I didn't know about the concept of self image. I didn't trust myself, and that was the biggest turning point for me. Starting to believe in myself, and I always thought that I had something that I was lacking, and I need to try to fit into a mold. And when I learned interpersonal skills, and I came to know that I am an INFJ who is thoughtful and who is sensitive. And all these years, I was believing that was my biggest weakness. And after learning that, I came to know that that is a strength and I don't have to fit in. And that thought, it was so liberating for me because I could, not change my core identity of who I am, and I could show up as my authentic self. And I didn't have to, like struggle to breathe, like being in a shell. And the support, the mentors who were so, I mean, I can't tell you, like they would go out of their way to help us, to guide us. And They're true inspiration. I've seen my mentors who owns their mistakes, who tells us how they have transformed, wherein that gives me a lot of inspiration. And also I was polishing myself, and all those insecurities which I had slowly disappeared with each and every topics, every classes. I relentlessly started applying what we have learned, and I
But
can't tell you, like,
we
I
have
just,
crossed the
yeah,
timeline.
yeah. Oh God, man. Should I start again? I mean, this is something which happens to me, man.
So we will have to time ourselves this time, because
Okay,
if
sure,
we
man.
shoot the time, then it becomes a problem. We don't know how much to edit and what needs to go away.
Okay, man. I'll
So
just
let's
take
start all
this.
over again.
Sure, man.
1 second.